Israel is an apartheid state. Israel is an apartheid state.
Hello, Alita. We're on a date today. We just ate and now we're getting ice cream. So
I got the better ice cream, clearly.
she got vegan ice cream because she has a lactose intolerance. And an allergy. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So I wasn't really sure if I was gonna even vlog. Like, I'm not sure if this vlog will make it because I'm not really sure what direction I'm going in with it. But this is technically the last day of college for me, so it is move out day. I'm not really moving out till tomorrow, but I did already start packing all of my stuff. And yeah, basically just trying to get my things together because yeah, I just have a lot of stuff and I'm really just doing my best to throw things away, donate, because I don't want to take a bunch of trash home. So that's been my main thing for the past 2 days, like just trying to pack and like prioritize what I want to take home with me back to New York City. So yeah, campus is completely empty right now. It's kind of sad. Like, oh my god, I'm actually leaving. Like, I cannot believe it. I've been here for 4 years and it just flew by. But yeah, like, we're here, we're graduated, we're about to move back home soon. So I really, like, I'm just looking forward to good vibes this summer, and I'm really hoping that I can like figure myself out, figure out career choices, just, you know, also have a good time as well, and, you know, get a well-deserved rest because 4 years of undergrad has really fried my brain. So since I'm not moving out today, I'm actually going on like a mini road trip with my friends. So the weather is pretty nice. It's kind of like spring weather today. You know, it's not too hot, it's not too cool. So we're gonna go to Corning Glass Museum. So if you don't know what that is, it's like basically a glass blowing museum, but it also has a lot of different things. Like, I actually went there for a school trip sophomore year of college for like some science class that I was doing, and it was really fun. Like, I wasn't expecting to enjoy it, but it was really interesting, and I even got to make my own glass, which I still have to this day. So my other friends didn't really get to do it, so we were all like taking a mini road trip there right now. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna, you know, have a nice day out, make some glass, you know, probably explore the museum a bit, maybe get some lunch or dinner around wherever we are, like just have a really like nice hang out before we all go home. So I'm just gonna show you all what I have packed so far. So like I said, I'm trying to throw out as much as I can. So I'm also donating things away. So my couch, for example, I still have some clothes on there, but so all the clothes are gonna go home with me once I pack them, but I'm giving the couch away, and then the mirror is going with me. So this section is also a really big mess, but all the pots over there and stuff not going home with me, fridge is not going home with me, pretty much throwing out everything on top of there. My TV is gonna go with me, so yeah, that's gonna be packed last. And then I just packed some school supplies here. Most of these boxes are empty right now because I'm trying to save them for like really fragile things. So I have these 2 bins right now. This garbage bag is filled with my winter coats because they were just too big to fit in anything. And then I have my suitcase. So far I basically just have the 2 bins, the garbage bag and the suitcase packed. I'm trying to stay as small as I can with packing. Like, these little boxes here are the most that I'm gonna do. Like, I purposely didn't even buy boxes because I don't want to take anything home with me. But it still looks like I have a lot in my room, but most of it is actually either just being donated or being thrown away. So for now, most of my stuff is packed. I feel like I only have a little bit more to pack before I'm done. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous to go home this time because I'm used to going home just for a little break and then I'm coming back to school. So, you know, like it feels like I'm just a guest in my house, but now I'm permanently gonna be in New York City again, which is exciting, but also like really scary because I don't really know what I want to do. Like, I know a lot of people at this stage, like once they graduated college, they always say that, like, I don't know what I want to do, I'm having a life crisis, like, but it's okay, like, you eventually figure it out. But right now, like, when you're in the moment, you don't feel like you're gonna figure it out, you feel like the world is ending. So it is very scary for me, but I really do hope that I just take this summer to just breathe and find myself, find what I'm really passionate about, and then just go from there and hopefully make some money, of course. So this is my outfit for the museum. So I pretty much packed away most of my stuff, so this was kind of what I had available. So I just have this green long sleeve shirt. I think I got it from Zara, but my friend gave it to me like a couple years ago. And then I have these blue mom jeans from ASOS, and then I have these Air Force Ones. So since it's a little chilly today, I didn't want to wear like a skirt or like shorts or anything, especially since we're kind of like doing a mini road trip. I don't know how windy or how the weather changes, you know, once you leave Binghamton. So I will catch y'all probably when we're on the road or at the Glass Museum. I really don't know how today's gonna go, but whatever happens, I'll probably vlog it. So I officially packed everything. I am done. I'm officially out of here. I'm gonna miss this room so much. I was in this community for like 2 years, but yeah, it took me a couple of days to pack, but I'm finally done and I'm very happy with everything. So goodbye college. I will miss the people, the life, but not school. I am out of here. Bye-bye, Binghamton. Thanks for helping me move. Hello everyone, so it is the next day. I'm back home and yeah, if you can't hear already, it is raining really hard. Like, it is very gloomy in New York. It's cold. It feels like winter time. Like, global warming is really in full effect. But yeah, I got home pretty late last night, so I didn't really even attempt to pack. I just basically showered and went to sleep. So today I'm mostly gonna spend this gloomy Sunday unpacking and just, you know, trying to figure out what I'm gonna actually leave out in my room, what I'm gonna put away in my basement, since I'm probably not gonna need most of this stuff forever. So I just want to show you all a little bit of what I brought home. So I tried my best to donate or give away as much as I could, but when you build a life for 4 years, you're likely to bring back a lot of stuff with you, or you're probably gonna end up bringing junk as well because a lot of it has sentiment to you. So yeah, this is pretty much all the stuff that I bought. So I have some duffel bags here. This suitcase isn't mine. This is my cousin's, who also just came back from college. Then I have these 2 bins, these boxes, and some more duffel bags. So there is quite a lot to get through today, which is why I want to kind of start early before the sun goes down, because I also want to start editing this video later. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I put videos up every Monday at 3 p.m. so please put the bell notification on so you can know whenever I post. And I hope that everyone is staying safe, taking care of their mental health, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.